Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So this video you're currently watching is one of those videos I wouldn't have made or I wouldn't have uploaded if I still have the same mindset I used to in like 2-3 years ago, because I've tried doing this several times, but whenever I hit a certain stumbling block, I'll call it, I will just scrap the video, delete from the episode 1 or whatever episode I've gotten to. I'll just delete it and start again, and delete and start again. By this point, I discovered that as a trader, we are all going through all these ups, down, and undulating type of movements. So that's why I decided that whatever happens to this account or to this my trading journey, I'm going to upload it here, because I believe that I'm not the only person that is going through all this type of movement. Alright, so that's why I decided that I'm going to make this video. Today is Monday. Normally I'm supposed to be at my working place, but I almost did not make this video, guys. I almost did not, because on Friday or Saturday I would have like round up for the week. Yeah, for some reason I just decided that I want to push it a bit forward, because I had some physical challenge, something wrong with my eye here. Yeah, so that's what made me to delay the preparation of this video. So that's all this. So let's just go straight to the main point of why this video was made. So I am in episode 2. Is it episode 2 or episode 3 of trading a $5,000 Propfirm account? Alright, so this week has been like that. This week has just been, I don't know, but I started the week pretty well. I can't lie, started the week in a very high note. I was consistent and very mindful of my risk management and everything like that. On Monday I took one trade which ended up in a loss, because I was going against gold trend. Gold was going upward and I decided to go the opposite direction, thinking it's about to reverse, and I got, feel me. And the second one, which ended up on a very beautiful profit, of course. So the first trade I lost, I'm going to leave a screenshot somewhere. I'm not really that conversant with some of those numbers. I'm going to leave a screenshot somewhere here. So the first one was a loss, second one was a take profit, clinical trade, and the third one, what was it? I think it's a break-even trade. It's a break-even because when I took the trade, a buy is still on gold. That's on Wednesday. Yeah, I took an L on Monday, a W on Tuesday, and I won't call it an L, I'll call it a break-even, because the price moved. I think it was like few pips on my take profit and it reversed, because I was not really sure about the continuation. I should have closed though, but I was like, maybe you want to keep going, you just want to like retrace for it. So I now moved my stop loss to break-even, and price now came and stopped me out on a $3 profit. Then I went into the next day, which was Thursday, feeling as if I had this thing going on. I figured the market out. I took a very nice buy trade on gold, and price now moved up and eventually came back down. And during the process of taking that one trade, I now broke my rules, entered several positions because I thought it's about to move. And price now came back down, stopped me out, and stopped me out on 3-4 occasions that very Thursday. So my account is in some serious drawdown, right? So yeah, on Friday I took an L again on Friday, and I also broke another rule by taking another pair instead of gold. I traded UG, and I think I made some profit there. So let me just go into the chart. Let me show you all. Let me take you guys on the highlight of what happened throughout that week. Alright, so let's go to the chart now. Okay, so this was the first trade I took on gold on Monday. This was the first trade I took. Alright, so this trade actually met all my criteria, like all what I needed to see this trade gave me. But the thing is that I was going against the market trend. That was why I suffered this loss. So I was going against the market trends. As you can see, gold is trending upwards. Yeah, so gold is trending upwards here. So normally I should have been looking for a buy, but instead I went reverse. I started looking for a sell. So why I was looking for a sell is very simple, because as you can see, price just pushed up. Price pushed up here. without making this place a support level. So I was anticipating that maybe price want to drop to that area before moving to the upside. That was what I was anticipating. But it seems price have a mind on its own, so it decided to do what it had to do. So that's it on the Monday trade. I got stopped out there, and trade my risk was managed, so it did not really get to me. So the next trade I took, this was on Tuesday. It was a very clinical trade, as you can see. Like immediately I entered, no long talk, no long thing, just moved straight up to my take profit. So I made the trade literally met all my criteria. I can't lie, it met all what I needed to see, and I entered the trade and I made, I think, over $60. Right, I think over $60. I'm going to leave a screenshot there. So if I'm to draw a trend line from here, yeah, I'm a trend line trader as well. So once I saw the break of that, so I needed to see that retest, and immediately I saw it and I took it. So I made over $60 with this particular entry. The next one I take, this was on Wednesday, right? So this trade, I don't know what to say about the trade, because I was like few pips to my take profit. Yeah, few pips to my take profit, and price now just stopped me out somewhere here, because I've already broken even. Once I saw this push, I broke even here, and was expecting that maybe price is just gonna get there, and price just reversed, stopped me out, and even pushed further to the downside. So that's it. My risk was also managed here. Still, I made, I think, $3 somewhere here in this particular entry. So the next one we're going to talk about is the Thursday trade that eventually went south for me. The Thursday trade was just there, all right. It was just there, and it actually destabilized my trading plan. So as you can see here, I entered here because it met all my criteria, and price just pushed up a bit and start consolidating. So this was where everything just went south for me, this particular area here. Because if I go over to the 5 minute, which I don't want to go right now because I don't want to make this video that long. So if I go over to the 5 minute, yeah, by drawing my trend line from here, yeah, something like that, you can see that price just broke out of the trend line and came back to like retest this particular area. So that was what I did. That was what made me to enter the trade on multiple occasions. So I was already still holding on to this one. So once I saw this 5 minute break and retest over here, I now entered, I think, 3-4 positions again to ride the market to the upside. So price now dropped crazily. I think this was where price action just changed from uptrend to downtrend. So price has been dropping since. So I now took I think it was on Friday, yeah, I took another trade on UJ, but I wouldn't want to show you guys that because I don't want to make this video that long. So I took another trade on UJ, which ended up on a small profit, somewhere around $20 ish. So I took that at least to rig the account back up a bit. So I took a $20 profit from that one. So I don't want to go in depth about what I saw before taking that trade. So yeah, that's it on this week highlights. So please kindly like, subscribe, and turn on the post notification, all right, so whenever I drop any exciting content, you'll be notified. Feel me? So what I want you guys to do is that I really need you guys to, like, it's not easy, I can't lie, it's not easy to trade on your own without a mentor or without a proper tutoring. So I just want you guys to be there for me, like subscribe. I need your support if possible. I need your support, like not monetarily, but I need your support, like emotionally. If you think maybe I'm doing something wrong that is really affecting my trade, I really want to know. That is why the comment section is there for you. So make sure that you leave a comment in the comment section. Tell me what you feel about this trade. If you think I'm doing something wrong, that's why I'm not getting it, just let me know. I'm really open for suggestion right now. So yeah, that's it on this video. So see you guys in my next clip. All right, bye.